welcome to Cooking for Kids. Today we are making vanilla cake with some buttercream frosting. First thing you're going to do is you are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, now that you've preheated your oven, you are going to butter your pan and then you're going to line it with parchment paper. I only have one, but if you have two, use that. You are going to cut your parchment paper to fit the size. Okay, now that you have lined your thing with parchment paper and cut it to fit to size, you are going to spray it again on the top. Okay, perfect, look at that, it's nice. And then you are going to tap your thing with some flour. This is a technique that I find to do really well. Now, mix it all up, and there you have it, a buttered pan. Now you're going to put some cake flour in a bowl. I personally do not have cake flour, so what I like to do is you are going to sift 3 cups of flour in a bowl. Okay, perfect. If you see how light and nice that is, that's perfect. Now what you are going to do, now that you don't have any clumps, you are just going to remove 6 tablespoons. It may seem crazy, but you are going to put 6 more tablespoons of cornstarch. 6. Okay, I removed 6 tablespoons, and now you're going to put 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. There you have it. Okay, 3 cups of cake flour, and you never had to set foot in the store. It'll be in the description down below. That is super silky soft. Look at that, silky soft. Oh. Okay, now that you have the cake flour, you're just gonna put 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Silky soft. Okay, you're just gonna put half a teaspoon of salt into the mix. Now we are just going to mix that up. Okay, now you are just going to set that aside. Okay, cool. Next, you are going to separate 4 eggs. The easiest way I find is just put the whole thing in, and then you individually take the yolks out with your hands. And then you put the yolks in another bowl. And then keep doing that until you have separated all of the eggs. Okay, you're gonna take another bowl. You are going to put 2 cups of sugar and some butter. And beat that until that is nice and fluffy. Okay, now that you see that your butter and sugar mixture is nice and fluffy, you are just going to beat in egg yolks one at a time. Okay, as you can see, that looks really fluffy, kind of like frosting. Okay, now you're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now that you have mixed this up, you are going to mix the flour and milk alternating. So you are going to start 1/3 of the flour and end with 1/3 of the flour. Okay, I have mixed that up. And now, what you're gonna do is in another bowl, you are going to get your egg whites and mix them until they form soft peaks. Okay, cool. Mine have formed soft peaks. How you can tell if it has formed soft peaks is if it sticks to the thing. Or if you pick it up and it stays on there, it's not like liquidy. That is perfect. So that is almost it. You are just going to fold that into your mixture here. You're gonna put about 1/3 of that into there and whisk it. Now the rest, you are not going to whisk in. You do not want it to lose its fluff. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it gently in. It's very silky smooth. And yes, that is ready to be put into the prepared pans. So you're just gonna pour about half of this because this is a 2-layer vanilla cake with buttercream frosting. So I've put a little bit more than half of it and it looks very silky smooth and nice. You can see it is really nice, and now we are just going to put it in the oven until the toothpick comes out clean. About 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, let's check these out. And to know if they're done, make sure to stick a toothpick right in, and if it comes out clean, your cake is done. Okay, great, good. That came out completely clean. Okay, you should let that cool in the pan for about 10 minutes and then take it out. And let it cool for however long, and then put the other thing in. Okay, what you're gonna need for this easy buttercream frosting is just some salt, butter, of course, some powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar, they're both the same, and some vanilla extract, and some heavy whipping cream. Cool, let's get started. First, you are going to get a stand mixer with the whisk attachment. Then we're going to whip the butter on medium-high speed until smooth. You are going to need 20 tablespoons of butter. Okay, you're gonna whip that on medium-high speed until smooth. Cool. As you can see, it is pretty smooth. And now, it only took a little bit on, look at that, that's perfect. Yeah, Okay, so now that you have whipped your butter very nicely, you are just going to add sugar and salt and whip that up. You're gonna need 2.5 cups of confectioner's sugar. Now you are gonna add some salt. You are going to need an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. If you don't have an 1/8 teaspoon, it is just a pinch of salt. Like a tiny bit, if you can see how much. Okay, you're just gonna let that mix for about 45 seconds. Okay, you should get your spatula and make sure all the stuff is incorporated. And you should scrape these sides. Now that you have done that, you are going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And you are gonna also add some vanilla extract. All you need is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you're just gonna mix that up on medium-high speed for about 4 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. And that is it. That is your buttercream frosting. And then you can refrigerate it for 2 whole days in the fridge. So, next time you need to make frosting for a cake, and you should use this cake recipe and this frosting. And make sure to clean up your area while it is mixing. Okay, now that I've cleaned up my area, I am just going to respray my pan. So I put in the same parchment paper, and then I'm just gonna spray it again. Then I'm going to put the rest of the batter right in to clean up your whole area, because you are done. Now all you have to do is frost the cake. And to me, that's the best part. This last one is done. Let's check it out. Golden or round. Look at that. It's very fluffy. Now we are going to put a toothpick in it and see if it is done. But it looks pretty done, so. That came out clean. Now we are just going to put it on the rack to dry with the other one. Stop it! That was some 2-layer vanilla cake with buttercream frosting. I really hope you liked that video, and if you did, be sure to try this recipe and like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell if you want to see every time I post. And make sure to comment down below what you want me to make next. Bye!